So, natapos na ako maglagay ng adapter. So, we need to use a small washer because the hole of this one is bigger compared to the original tire. So, we need a washer. So, lagay na natin. Okay. Washer. Tapos, ito ang mahirap. Yung malaki yung kamot na to. So, I'm done putting the tire. Then, it is only a little, very small difference between the original one. And I'm happy with it because I made it my experiment. So, it's nice because you can see the back. See? The tire is going outside, so it make wider or nilapad siya. So, gwapo siya lantawon. So, supposed to be, di yun ako ni siya ilisan. Napalitan ko kasi nalubo siya diri. That's why I put an epoxy in here or may tiban para mataod. So, this time I decided to order. So, it's very nice kasi it's wider. You can see, lumalabas yung gulong. So, mas maganda siyang tignan. Tapos, it is proportion like that. If you, the movement. So, it's enough. If we use what we call 90 mm tire, maybe it will touch. So, just sharing